Hello beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make blur transition in Canva. So before get started, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. So let's get started. First go to Canva website and then on the top right corner click on create a design and then go to the videos. Now on the left panel go to the elements and then here search for women walk. Now go to videos. Now select video and then adjust it. Decrease the time limit. Click on plus button. Go to the left panel and then select another video and then adjust it. Decrease the time. Click on plus button and then select another video and then again adjust it. Decrease the time. Now click on the video and then go to the animate. Now on the left panel go to the basic and then click on the blur. Now decrease the speed and then click on both. Now go to the second video and then click on video. Now go to animate. Select blur both and decrease the speed. Now go to the third video. Click on the video. Click on animate. Go to the blur and then select both. Decrease the speed. Now we need to add transition. Click on add transition and then select dissolve. Increase the transition time to 1 second and apply between all pages. Now let's preview our video. So this is how you can make blur transition in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.